Hi, in this video we're going to give you a brief demonstration of the perfect portrait feature in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So this is designed to kind of fine-tune portraits like this one here, to do things like fix blemishes, open eyes, whiten teeth, and so on. So to get to it, you want to be in guided mode. Then you want to find the perfect portrait option. Alright, so it has some options here, smooth skin, so it'll automatically draw a circle around the face for you. You can click on that. But you can see in this case it left a little mark there, so this doesn't seem to work too well, at least for this picture. You could increase the contrast if you want to kind of click it a few times to change the way it looks. Let's undo that. Okay, then we have the features, which we'll get to in a second. So let's say we want to open the closed eyes for this one here. It'll give you some options here for an example, and then you could also use pictures from your computer as well if you want to use some eyes from another photo you might have. So we'll click OK to that. We'll just use this one. You can also brighten the eyes like so if you want. Darken the eyebrows like that. Okay. Then give a glow to the picture like so, but you'd have to play around with the settings for this to really get it to work right, otherwise you're going to have something weird like this. And then slim down, to slim down your picture like so. Okay, so now let's go to the features. Alright, so go back to the eyes here real quick. You could change the height, how much they're open, the width, the size, the tilt, and the distance. So that's kind of cool. Same with the nose, height, and width, face shape, forehead height, jawbone shape, chin height. Then you could do the face tilt, which is kind of cool. Let's say we want her to be looking up a little bit here. Like so. Then you can also tilt the direction of the head. Okay, let's try the lips here. So the smile, a little frown, or make it more of a smile. The height, the width, and then the lip size here. And if it looks good, just click on OK. And there you have it. So obviously it's going to depend on the picture how well this works. So some features will work fine on some photos but not on other photos. So it's going to be a trial and error thing. And obviously you're not going to be able to use all of these for every photo because some of the things just won't work. But it does a pretty good job if you want to kind of play around and have some fun with it, especially the open eyes feature. You might end up with, some different looking eyes or a different color, but you could always find some similar eyes from another photo before you use that feature. All right, and then once you're done, just click on Next, and then you could save it, do a Save As, or you could continue editing, and then work on it with the rest of the Photoshop tools. And then you have your layers down here as well, so if we hide this, then we have the original, just like that. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.